Ayan, good morning guys. Dito tayo. Oh. Ang hirap pala tumingin talaga sa camera. Maduduling ka, no? Di mo alam saan mo talaga dapat tumingin. Hindi ko alam. Pero yan talaga, ang ganda dito guys. Oh. Dito ako magkape-kape. Nakaka-relax. Diba? Kasi naman, oh. Diba? May makakita ka ng green early morning. So, it was a good refreshing for your mind. Ayan. Refreshing ba ang mind mo, ha? Tapos may kape ka, tapos maghigop-higop ka ng kape. Oy! Diba? Wala akong ma-video, so yan na lang. So, actually, I early wake up today. Actually, I almost early wake up every day. Just to do something, work at home, and then working on here. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako talaga. Huh? I use my hindi ko alam, tripod. It's not really tripod. Nabili ko lang ng mura. Kape tayo. Ayan. Good morning, good morning, good morning.